In this chapter, we highlight the environmental costs that are recorded as a liability for the province of Nova Scotia. These amounts include complex estimates based on judgment related to contaminated sites across the province. A few key matters of interest related to the 31st March 2017 financial statements. One is the size of the number. There's $212 million recorded as a liability to clean up contaminated sites that the province has responsibility for. Essentially, there are two key items. One, the Boat Harbour cleanup accounts for $130 million of that amount. The other is $68 million that remains outstanding related to a final liability to clean up the Cisco site. So in terms of the $212 million, we can see that there are two real main issues that make up most of that amount. And in fact, if we looked at the Boat Harbour cleanup amount, that has changed significantly over the past 2 years, reflecting the degree of uncertainty and estimates that get recorded. As an example, at March 31st, 2016, the government had recorded $88 million for Boat Harbour cleanup. At the end of 2017, with new information available, that number increased by approximately $42 million to sit around $130 million. This highlights for Nova Scotians that while the accounting is fair and the accounting is appropriate, included in that accounting is significant management estimates and judgments that will change over time as new information becomes available. So the message I would leave Nova Scotians with is while the accounting is fair, in terms of looking forward on things like fiscal planning, it will be important to pay attention to Boat Harbour as an example. As new information becomes available and the government updates a more comprehensive plan, it is quite likely that number that is currently recorded will change. To assist you in understanding the accounting for environmental costs in Nova Scotia, I'll leave you with 5 questions that you may wish to ask government.